Hello all. Today we will discuss how to complete our Copado certification maintenance exam. And this is for source format certifications. And if you have already completed your source format fundamentals too, then you are eligible to complete the maintenance exam. This is eligible once you completed your exam maintenance. Now it is eligible for 3 years. So okay, post 2028 in the year of 2028 only, again you have to complete the maintenance. So without fail or without expiring your certification, please complete before the expiry date. The expiry date is 31st of 2025. And without time wasting, let's start our video. Yeah, in the last video, I have completed the certification maintenance for source format, fundamental 1 certification maintenance. And in this video, we will discuss about fundamentals 2 certifications. Once you got a email from Copado for the maintenance your certification, click on the academy or else you can click on maintenance from here. Okay, I'm clicking on here. Let's click on here. It will navigate to our success Copado community page. Okay, there you have to give your credentials. Go to direct maintenance page only. Okay, there you have to click on this register button. So it means you have to register for the certification maintenance. Okay, I'm clicking on register, and registration completed successfully. Okay, now we have to complete these things. I have completed for fundamentals 1, and it is came directly here. Okay, and I'm directly launching the exam. If you completed fundamental 1 certification maintenance, by default these will be completed, and for fundamentals 1 you have to complete this maintenance highlights. Okay, release highlights. If you want, I can provide the certification link or video link in the description of this video. Please go through that, and without time wasting, click just clicking on launch the exam. Okay, it is taking some time. Now it is launching. Okay, first question. When working with source format pipeline that supports parallel development streams, what is the primary purpose of configure and branch inheritance rules? Okay, to automatically merge feature branch into main without review. No. To ensure a new feature branches inherit the correct baseline from their parent branches. I think this is the correct one. To convert metadata API components into SFDX. No. The bypass merge conflicts. No. This is the correct one. Let's click on second one. A developer in Dev2 encounters a merge conflict while promoting a commit to INT. What should be verified first before initiating conflict resolution in Copado? Whether the story has an active pull request open in Git? No. Either the another developer has already resolved the conflict in different environment? No. Whether the base branch of our INT is aligns with the latest promotion branch, and whether the ready to promote flag. I think looks like second, third, and fourth one is similar. I'm selecting the third one. And third one. How does Copado ensure that automated validation rule consistently across multiple environments in a multi-stage pipeline? How does by applying environment specific automation rule through pipeline manager, by applying global validation templates that override all the environment configurations, by activating a release manager only toggle to enforce validation rules at the time deployment time. uh, I'm thinking first one or second one. Okay, let me select first one only. A deployment to UAT fails because dependent test class is not ran successfully. What is the most effective step? First step, return the deployment until the automate job retrieves successfully. Rebuild the entire pipeline structure from the pipeline builder. Oh my god, no. Switch the deployment strategy to partial metadata deployment. No. Review the deployment details page to identify failing tests and dependencies. I think we have to verify the failing test classes and dependent related test classes. Click on next. What is the recommended practice for handling multi-teams committing to the same parent branch? Use direct commits instead of feature branch to reduce a branch clutter. No. Allow teams to disable validation to speed up merging cycles, schedule a regular branch alignment to minimize merge conflicts later, configure each team to use separate repositories for isolation. No, I think keeping separate isolations it is not good practice, and we can schedule a regular batch to alignment the minimum merge conflict to reduce the merge conflicts. And click on next. A user story pass validations in dev 1 and dev 2 but fails in int. What is most likely reason? The dev 1 branch was measured without a code review. The int environment contains additional metadata not present in the lower stages. The Apex tests were executed without outdated test data. Commit message did not reference the correct release. I think when the changes are not there present, changes are mismatching, then only we will encounter this kind of issues. So I'm selecting second one. Clicking on next. Why is enable build validation before merging a pull request important in a CA-driven steps? It ensures sandbox refreshes are triggered after successful merge. It allows teams to bypass rework by validating only after deployment. It confirms code quality checks and test passes before branch integration. It logs the main branch to prevent parallel merge during CA runs. Why is enabling build validation before merging? I think we have to test the and check the integration things and remaining things. So it is a kind of quality check only, and so I'm selecting third one. And next one is during a production deployment, code flags missing metadata dependencies. What should be done next step? Skip dependency validation. No. Change the deployment to mode. Ignore dependency checks. That is also not good practice. Promote the components manually outside the component. No. Add the missing component to original commit. Yes, this we can perform. It will resolve the issues also. Clicking on, I'm selecting last one. I'm clicking on next. A QA tester with the quality engineer persona contact C cannot see automation results in user stories. What is the likely cause? The tester is assigned to a project without active releases. The persona does not have the display result in user story feature enabled. The user story does not have user story ready for promotion showing up. The tester is missing in Git snapshot admin permission set. I'm thinking either second one or third one. I'm also confusing in between these things. Okay, let me select the third one. Clicking on next. When building a custom persona for a specialized testing group, what must administrator ensure? The persona has the correct feature toggles and permission sets for deployment visibility. The persona includes read-only access to all pipeline records. The persona automatically inherit deployment manager permissions. The persona is created as a clone for the release manager profile. In building a custom persona for a specialized testing group, what must administrator ensure? Looks like all are required. Okay, I'm selecting first one because this is important. Like we have to correct the feature toggles and permission sets for deployment visibility. And I think I have selected 10 of 10 questions. And if you want to go to back questions, you can click on previous. If you want to reset entire exam, you can click on reset. If you want to submit, then you can submit. I have completed my exam, so I'm clicking on submit. Okay, it is asking for confirmation. Yes. Now our results will be 10 questions, evaluation score 90%. I think I have missed something. Okay, let's review the quiz to see where it is missing. First one correct, second one correct, third one correct, fourth one correct, fifth one correct, sixth also correct, seventh correct, eighth correct, ninth. Yeah, I told you, like I'm thinking in between one of the two. So I believe the second one is the correct one. Maybe anyway, we are fast and no worries. And 10th. Okay. Immediately I got one email from Copado stating our new certification is completed. Yeah, this is a source format certification to completed maintenance exam. Result is passed and the eligibility, the valid through 2028. Okay, 3 years of validity for fund. If you want anything related to Copado and the best practices and certification guidance, I have added the videos in my description. You can go to my YouTube channel, so you can find it out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.